Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Shecter coming in for a pro setup. Apart from that, we changed out the tuners as well. So we opt out for gotoh locking tuners as usual. There wasn't any chrome to actually complement the other hardware, but the black one seems to be quite nice, a bit more contrasting on the guitar. Turns out to be quite straightforward, the guitar. Enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Take care. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, or you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. See you soon. Bye.